Friends, today I have come to you with parajumbles. Now, that great section of VARC, 24 questions are RC passages and 10 questions of verbal ability. At least 8 questions of parajumble and variants of parajumble like odd one out. And there are different ways. CAT is evolving. Today you teach them something and tomorrow they will come out with something new. So, as far as now is concerned, you have to understand, it's very important you understand the flow of language. The water flows from a higher level to lower level. Lower level is finally, the end is in sea. That is a goal. So it may start from any level and it is trying to reach its destination. You have to find that process. And of course, in between we look at pronouns and nouns and different way of things. Let us read it. I am doing today 5 with you. I'll be putting some more videos so that you will realize what way to do it. The great art is in reading it. First is saying it is time. We recognize your constitutional status as citizen equal to us, no way less, however dirty your clothes are. We don't know who you are, but it is talking about legal constitutional status. Okay, let's go to 2. Surely it is time. First is saying it is time, second is saying it is time for a new contract. Now their constitutional status, and here it is new contract between you and us for a new relationship, a new way of looking at each other. There can be no going back. Now you can be sure about one thing, one will come after 2 directly, or maybe after it will follow 2, because a new relationship 2 is talking about, a new way of looking at each other it is saying, and 1 is finishing it off, equal to us, nothing doing, nothing more, nothing less. So 1 is going to be after 2. Now let us see where 3 fits. You can go back to simply status without face or names. Greater institutional protection is an urgent necessity. 2 is talking about contract. 3 is talking about greater institutional protection is an urgent necessity. Institutional. Sooner or later lockdown will end and workers from villages will once again stream back to city. Will they be condemned to the same living without proper shelter or security? 4 has a question. 4 has a question. The question's answer is, what is asking you is, will they be damned to live in the same condition? Now you cannot be the answer. Its time cannot be answer. Answer is 2. Surely it's time for new contact. It will not be the same. It has to change. New relation usually. Then it comes to, you cannot go back to simply being statistics. Faces or name, greater protection. And what is that greater protection? Is constitutional status as citizens equal to us. So I would go for 4, 2, 3, 1. Now once again I will tell you, 4 is an opener because all 3 were talking about you. 4 is a question, the answer is coming, surely it's time. 4 it is saying no, it's time, new contract. 1 is why in the end, because it is ending the things, what legal constitutional status, that is equal to us, right? So let's move to the next one. Okay, we might want to think of a pandemic as a world war, but there will be no treaty of Versailles that will mark the end of lockdown. It is talking about this problem we are going through, COVID problem. He said, let us think it about as a war, but it is not a war, because there is not going to. He is treating out, don't treat it as a war, you can make out like something. Yeah, we might want to think pandemic as a world war, but there will be no treaty Versailles. Probably we are thinking pandemic like a war, and he is saying don't do that. The tragedy is that in the era of strongman leaders around the world, we only see here a context is given. In the times and era of strongman leaders around the world. Topic is what? you think of pandemic as a war or not. We only seem to understand a war metaphor when it comes to confronting greater challenge. See, you got the opener because he has given the context what is going on. The context is the world is full of strong leaders, and we have started understanding only one language. We understand only one language, that is language of war. And that is why we treat every challenge as a war, right? So 99% is the opener, but is a tone changer. Remember, it's very easy. It divides world in two parts. Before but and after but, tone differs. I studied a lot, but I failed. I did not study, but I passed. I thought she would be beautiful, but she turned out to be ordinary. I thought she was ordinary, but she turned out to be beautiful. I thought he was rich, but so it's like that. So what he's saying after but, before but, the tone will be saying different, so we'll come to know. WHO Emergencies Director Mike Ryan warns us that virus may never go away. Simply we say it is saying but virus will never go away. So before that somebody is talking about कि virus will go away, but virus will never go away. So we know one or two are not there. There is going to be different sentence. Two buts will never go together. So 3, 4, 4, 3 we do not know they'll come together or not. Mostly not. But COVID-19 is not Pakistan. Before this you are treating it as a Pakistan. An old enemy to be vanquished. One day hopeful there will be a vaccine. You got 5-3, you got it. One day hopefully there will be vaccine or herd immunity, but WHO Emergency Director Mike Ryan warns us that virus is going to stay. So 5-3 is 1, 2 is the opener, and 2 is saying but. The but is before that we is treating something as an enemy. So we can say comfortably 2-4 in the era of strongman. We think everything is a war, but COVID is not a Pakistan you can finish off. We might think as a world war on a greater thing, but there is no versatility. One day we think that there will be herd immunity, but WHO director said it is going to stay. So comfortably say 2-4-1, 5-3. 2-4-1, 5-3. Check it. Okay, now let us move to this one. Simple and easy one, small one. So it should be in seconds we should be able to do, isn't it? Let's see. That is explaining something. This is half a sentence. That nothing outside a man can save him or damn him. Nothing outside can. So he is trying to tell about that inside is more important. The divisions among men will not be ended by new set of arrangements. Okay. We know this is somewhere close, probably the opener. There are divisions among man and it will not be ended by new set of arrangements. We need to acknowledge that human essence is inside, not outside. One is probably repeating 3. Let's see. To break the spell of human separation, we need to know the truth about man. 3 is talking about acknowledge and 4 is talking about the truth. And then this is the truth, the religion of mankind that we must learn to believe and practice. 2 is the opener. The divisions among man will not be ended by a new set of arrangements. To break the spell of human separation will not be ended. You said it cannot be done this way. So how it can be done? What you have to do? We need to know the truth about man. And what is the truth? We need to acknowledge truth he has not given. The truth is in 3. That the human essence is inside and not outside. And then nothing outside a man can save him or damn him. And this is the truth. 5. Right? Next, move to the next one. From 6 to Sahasrara. Sahasrara is one of the 7 chakras of the body. From 6 to Sahasrara, from the 1st to 7th, they should vibrate like an orchestra. Each center opening brings a different jewel. The dilemma is which to choose. All the centers of the body have to function in unity. See, in first we got orchestra, and then 3 he is talking about unity. So 3 1 is a pair. He is carrying his thing, the thing is further. Right? Let's see. All the centers, all the 7 chakras of the body have to function well. No need to choose any center. 2, 5. Each of center opening brings a dilemma is which to choose, so don't choose. So let's take it here. 2, 5. Do not choose, no need to choose. Then all the centers have to function well. 4. And now you are left with organic unity, a function in a unity, and orchestra 1 and 3. Okay, let's move to the next one. Nobody knows what is going to happen the next moment. It cannot be certain. It is an unpredictable mystery. Life is not a medical process. So simple. Arrange it. Simple thing is, the first one first. Life is not a mechanical process. Why it is not mechanical process? Because there are 2 pronouns he has used for life. 2 and 3. So 4 2 3 or 4 3 2. 1 is going to be the last, because it and 2 and it and 3 is for life. Now it cannot be certain. It is an unpredictable mystery. So we'll go for 2 3. It cannot be certain. Certain, he has taken about another synonym of uncertain, unpredictable, but he has added mystery. What is said in second has been taken as a modifier for modifying a mystery, and nobody knows why it is a mystery, because nobody knows what is going to happen the next. Thank you, friends. I hope you enjoy. Parajumble is to enjoy, and read it again and again, and a pattern, a flow will emerge. Thank you.